unboxing my brand new laptop. Let's get it started, shall we? God damn. Heavy. That's the front or the back? I'm not sure, man. Ooh, that looks beautiful. All right, let's take off this stuff right here. I think I'm saying it wrong. But yeah, here's literally the package. HP. Ignore my desk, it's pretty dirty right now. Let's open this bad boy. Got my working blade right here, so I'm gonna cut it nice and easy, just like that. Oh, that's so satisfying. Don't you just love opening an item and taking out all the plastic like that? I know I do. All right, let's unveil the laptop. If I could just open it. All right, boom, the laptop's right here. Ignore my dirty ass feet. Just put the laptop right there. Some instructions. We got some chargers right here. This is the charger. All right. This is what, like a charging brick? Right now, I'll check this out. It comes with a pen, bro. Hold up, bro. Hold up. What's in this thing, man? Jesus. Okay, so I guess we get a pen, bro. That's pretty cool. I'm guessing this is the charger for the pen. All right now, let me show y'all right now. Hey, it looks pretty cool. I don't know what that piece on my finger is. Okay. Hey, it has buttons, bro. Let's go. All right. I don't know what that is right there. Open it. Oh, that is pretty tiny. I'm not gonna mess with that, man. I might lose that for real. Carrying case. Yo, I don't know. I gotta check this out. Yep, it is definitely a case, carrying case, I believe, just to keep it safe, you know. All right, what's in here? I guess it's literally nothing fancy. It's just a case for the laptop. But all right, let's get back to the laptop. All right, move all this plastic right here. This is the back. Here, let me show you the side. Bam, pretty slick. Now let me show you the front. Okay, way up just like that. You can see my reflection. Removing this mesh type thing, and there she is, guys. It's my laptop I'm gonna be using, man, for potentially college, and you know, I can do some editing now, so awesome. This was just a quick video. My specs. Oh my god, I slammed that bitch, bro. All right, I'm turning it on for the first time. Let's see. Hey guys, let's see the specs. All right, the specs are right here, guys, if y'all want to check it out. I got this Spectre mouse as well. Let's open it up. As you can see, I'm not the best unboxer, but first things first, we got the little, like, I guess instruction, the charger, and the little USB to connect to the thing. But yeah, I mean, it's lit, guys. Thanks for watching.